Good afternoon. In very rare circumstances, you might be asked to manually uninstall ZebraCut by technical support. This is particularly the case if somehow you have managed to install several versions of ZebraCut on the same computer. That's very difficult to do, but it is possible, and the solution is to uninstall ZebraCut manually, and this video will take you through that process. So I have here Rhino 8 and I have ZebraCut, and I know this one has a couple of different versions of ZebraCut installed. To resolve this, we're going to manually uninstall ZebraCut. We're going to go to Tools, we're going to go to Options, we're going to go to Plugins, we're going to scroll to the bottom of the list and find ZebraCut. Then we're going to go to Details, and down the bottom it tells you the file name where ZebraCut resides on the computer hard drive. So we click the file name, you get this folder with lots of different files which comprise ZebraCut. What you then need to do is go up a directory, so you can press the up arrow here and then up again, and you'll see here I've actually even got 3 versions of ZebraCut installed. Now it's not actually harmed this computer at all, it still works perfectly and ZebraCut functions wonderfully, but in some circumstances it is possible this can cause problems. So we're going to manually do the uninstallation. To do that, I'm now going to close all of Rhino. All of the Rhinos that I have open need to be closed. And I'm going to go up one further folder, up to the Rhino 8 folder, and I'm going to delete the ZebraCut folder. And now when I launch Rhino, it will have no knowledge of ZebraCut whatsoever. There'll be no knowledge of ZebraCut in the package manager, nothing is installed, and there is nothing of ZebraCut when I go to Options, and when I go to Plugins, ZebraCut is not in the list. So that's how you manually uninstall ZebraCut, and you can see the other videos for how to install ZebraCut after this. Thank you very much.